I will say for me personally, I have began to truly fall into being a great fan of Tyler the Creator, and he really influenced my color palette for me to really get out of my comfort zone of using safe colors. And instead of me always sticking to safe color palettes, I have, oh, sorry for hitting the mic. I have got out of that comfort zone and, well, got out of that comfort zone even more than before. And realizing one of the most important things was the impact of color. And whenever you are using a color palette that is totally different than you would normally use, people are very intrigued by it. So if you are new here, my name is Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. Make sure, if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel, and also giving me a like. And in today's video, I'm going to be creating a poster using a Tyler the Creator inspired color palette. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump into Procreate. Well, you know about jumping, I mean, let's open up the app. This is like the Land O'Lakes packaging, how it used to be. It's like you're watching me with a video of me watching me talking to the camera while I'm talking to the camera and you're watching me. And yeah, okay. Just thought that was funny. Let's take a look at my old work. Oh, that's not it. Let's go into this, for example. Now, as you see here, just scrolling through some of my old work, you can truly see that more times than not, I would play it safe and I wouldn't really go too much out of my comfort zone with color palettes. Then you maybe could say this one, but just really not too out there in regards to color. You know, you got a few uncommon colors to be used, such as the mint background, the pink, the green, and the red. But other than that, everything else here is majority black and white. And Tyler really inspired me with using colors that you wouldn't expect a normal person to use. So the color palette that I chose here, see, I got a mint green, a salmon pink, a light yellow, and then I have almost like a grass green, or what type of green would you consider this one here to be? I would say like a green tea green. That's it. And these are colors that shouldn't work, but they do. I'm going to end the video off with this. if your colors ever feel flat, wow, if your colors ever feel flat, stop playing by the rules, pick a vibe. That's what Tyler taught me. And look at what I came up with. This right here, this looks like nothing I ever done before. This is so, I'm just so happy about it. And I am just I'm at a loss for words. Y'all make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And no, this isn't a reflection on it from my window. This is all done in Procreate. And peace and love, everybody.